Hey everyone, today I'm taking you along for a project photo shoot. It's a smaller project where we renovated 2 bathrooms, but before any shoot, I always like to do some research on how I want to style the space. I check out what items I need to buy and what I can bring from home. Since it's a bathroom, I picked up some towels, soap, shampoo, vases, and of course, some fresh flowers. Cannot forget those. Alright, so I like to arrive early to the shoots and set up all the accessories. That way, when the photographers come, I'm out of the way and we can jump right into capturing the photos. Just arrived. I'm going to start setting up the accessories.
Because we can crop that, we can crop that in or get rid of that. That's enough, and then we can get rid of that little reflection in post.
Now let me tell you about these amazing photographers. Yvonne and Bridget are owners of Y&B Interiors. They are from the Chicago suburbs. They actually discovered me through social media, I think, if I recall. But last year they reached out to me offering a complimentary photo shoot, which it was a no-brainer for me. I said yes. They ended up shooting our Chicago renovation project and I loved how the photos came out, and I also really enjoyed working with them. Their expertise in interior photography, I feel like, is so incredible. They're really knowledgeable in what they do, and they definitely have an eye for finding the perfect angles because it's all about capturing the right composition. Okay, so back to the video. We started in the primary bathroom because I knew I wanted to spend a little more time in there and get all the shots and angles that I envisioned. There were some key areas I wanted to capture, which of course was the vanity area, the linen cabinet, and the shower. When it comes to these tight spaces, it is a little bit hard to get landscape photos, so majority of them will be portrait. I do believe we did capture a nice, good landscape one. But after getting the main shots, they do the freehand close-up shots, and they also do a video, which is really nice. Once we were done with the primary, we moved on to the guest bathroom, and because it's such a small space, we were done pretty fast with it. So Yvonne and Bridget just left, and so what I'm going to do now is I have to put everything back where it was. We took some of the stuff out, to make it photo shoot kind of acceptable. I will say that I don't completely remove all my clients' items from the room. I like to keep some personal touches in the photos, but sometimes there are certain items they have that aren't really aesthetically pleasing, so that's when the accessories come to play and they come in handy. But for the most part, the way that I like my photos or our work to come across is to have a lived-in feel. However, for the bathrooms, we don't want to lean in too much into that, since it's important to present them as clean and polished, especially with the design of these bathrooms that we did. They have a very clean and modern neutral look, and I didn't want to overwhelm these kind of small spaces with too many accessories. So sometimes less is more. These were the accessories I brought in. This is a brand new soap bar, some shampoo. These I got from home. I already had these vases. I bought these flowers. I got this soap pump for Amazon. This tray was from Amazon. I had bought like an extra towel just in case, some white towels. I believe it's important to close out a project properly, so with this being the final step of the project, I left a thoughtful gift for our client, and he texted me later that evening thanking me, which it seemed like it was a pleasant surprise for him walking into his house and seeing that, which left me feeling really satisfied. You have a gift from my client, just to kind of wrap it up. It's a thank you, let it focus, thank you postcard, and it has a QR code in the back which takes him to leave a Google review if he feels like it. And then I also have my business card on here for him to see when he walks in. I know he was really happy with the design results, which we were too. And once I got back from the shoot, I also sent him a thank you and closeout email. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the behind the scenes of this photo shoot. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.